3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
Today's video, you'll learn how to download and install the latest version of Arceus X, a powerful Roblox executor on your iOS device. This guide is straightforward, and by the end, you'll be fully equipped to take your Roblox gaming experience to the next level. To begin, open Safari on your device and navigate to the Arceus X download link provided in the video description below. Once on the website, tap the download button to start downloading the Arceus X IPA file to your iOS device. After the file is downloaded, you can proceed to install it. You can proceed to install it using various methods, including Ean, Scarlet, Feather Signer, or a PC with the sideloading method. For this demonstration, I'll use Ean to install the Arceus X IPA file on my iPad. I've included links to tutorials for Ean, Scarlet, Feather Signer, and sideloading in the description if you prefer a different installation method. Once the installation is complete, you'll have successfully installed the latest version of Arceus X on your device. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss future updates. Feel free to leave any questions or comments if you need further assistance. Happy scripting and enjoy exploring Roblox with Arceus X. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.